I am Jakub, and we are in summer 2024. We are in the summer camp, and we are doing international cooperation workshops. We are in Poland, Jelenia Góra i Jagniątków, in Koralowa Ścieżka. We have 4 workshops, with one being theater, one being photographic, one film, and one music group. They are 3 countries which are in the art camp. It's France, Germany, and Poland.
We have Roman from the French group, but she's also participating in the photography group. And we are today having a round with the music group, and I want to ask you first, how are you feeling in general about your role as a photographer and photographing this?
I think it's good to be in the photograph groups because we can go everywhere, we are free.
Mnie się podoba i zestawienie tych 2 zdjęć robi taką opowieść o miejscu niezwykłą i o tym, jak jej widzimy, czyli to jest taka opowieść też o obecności Henry'ego w tym miejscu, że Henry tak widzi teraz świat.
So if you put those 2 pictures together, it can tell the story not only about the place, but also about your presence in the place, your way of perceiving the world.
He gives to us tips and things to help us at make good photography.
What kind of frames do you mostly take? Or
I prefer take people, actions. So, like take picture of Raga
on the mic?
Yeah, on the mic.
Okay.
I prefer that.
Ich weiß nicht, ich finde Bilder generell, wo Leute ehrlich lachen, wo die gar nicht sehen, dass man sie fotografiert, finde ich sehr schön und das habe ich heute hinbekommen. Und da habe ich mich sehr gefreut, weil das sieht sehr schön aus und ja, das fand ich sehr spannend.
My name is Skadi and I'm from Germany. I chose the music group because I really like music and it was new for me with all the drumming, and I quite liked the description of it. What I liked about the workshop until now is how we do different rhythms and how everyone is trying their best or trying different instruments, so everyone can has the chance to try every instrument out and find which instrument is the best for them.
Okay, so guys, yesterday we had a workshop about listening, and today is second part, and we are on the border, in my opinion, forest, nature, and civilization, the village. We stay on this bridge for a while, and you can just move from the other side of the water and just listen to the water. It's one of the most beautiful sounds in the forest.
My name is Gosia and I'm from Poland. I chose the music workshop because I really like music and I thought it would be nice to have some different experience. So what I like the most is that you can collaborate with others and you can play on different things. What I found challenging is that you need to work with others because I only play like alone, and now you have to collaborate with each other.
Hello, I'm Eloise. I'm from France. I'm 15 years old and I'm on holiday on Poland, and I'm in film group. This group is very fun and cool.
My name is Doi. I'm from Cairo, Egypt, but currently I live in Leipzig. I'm here because Nina and Christine are my colleagues in LKJ, and they encouraged me to come to Poland and to experience this Austausch exchange program and to try new things and get to know also new people.
Hello, my name is Kuba. I'm from Jelenia Góra and I'm here in Jagniątków at the art camp. I am at the film workshop, and fun facts about me that I'm the best filmmaker in all of Jelenia Góra.
Hello, I'm Dixie. I'm here at the film workshop in Jelenia Góra, and I chose the film workshop because I like to experience new things.
I'm gonna show you what we learned during these 10 days. First, I'm gonna talk about the different field size. The first one is the close-up. It's where when you are close to the subject and you can see details of the subject. Then we have the medium one. The medium one is when you can see the character of the subject and the surrounding. And then we have the wide shot. It's when it's not focused on the surrounding and to know where the people is or the subject is in the shot.
So I am Hania and I'm from Jelenia Góra.
So I'm Zosia and I'm from Jelenia Góra too.
And we're both from the theater group. We like to show our creativity and like all the ideas. We can like combine them to make something like really creative at the end. So the show isn't like really boring, but it's really interesting, and it has a lot of art in it.
And no one judge us if something goes wrong on the meeting. So it's really cool.
Yeah, we like joke all the time, and it's like so fun.
Yeah.
Yes, we are like really happy about our choice in theater group. We wouldn't change it because I think it's the best one. Because we have like everything. We have music, acting, everything. Even like making pictures of each other, and we make like dances together and we feel them. So
we can also go to music and group if we want to. Really nice and professional coach.
Yeah.
We love
Mrs. Bishek. We love you.
Of course, so much. He's the best.
Yes.
I'm a very happy person to be in this camp. Today I had the travel in Jelenia Góra and the theater workshop. We learned how to gestic, like gestic teacher and student, like student makes something like that, and then teacher makes so perfect. You know what I mean?
Zrobiliśmy ćwiczenia na zapoznanie się, gdzie podzieliliśmy się na role, takie, które odkrywają ludzie w prawdziwych filmach, żeby stworzyć nasz film. Making water disappear, like one of the first. So making cheese.
So, as you can see, the equipment here, this is the camera that we were working with. It's like really big, and also one of the challenging things, for example, that when we are behind the scenes, we had to be really quiet, although the other person from the other side is saying something hilarious and we really want to laugh, but as a filmmaker you have to be quiet and listen and take care that the image is good, the sound is good, and it's real.
So one day we should make a 1 minute report about the art workshop. So Doi and I, we made a report about the music workshop, and yeah, we're gonna show it to you.
Hello everyone, our names are Doi and Rago, we're from the filming team, and today we are glad to report to you in this sunny day what is the music group doing, because they're collectively improvising and exploring different sounds.
powinienem przedstawić. Pierwszy utwór nazywał się Hello Kitty i był kompozycją Nikoli. Drugi, bo to wszystko na same. Drugi nazywał się Koń Rafał i był kompozycją Gosi. I'm just talking about the names of the pieces. First Hello Kitty, the second Koń Rafał. Rafał the horse. And now Annie's piece. Annie's.